Gold is about to make a move that could trap 90% of traders next week. And the scary part, it won't look obvious, but it won't be. If you are trading gold, this video might save you from a major loss. Because right now, gold is sitting at a level where history shows one thing: a massive breakout or a brutal fake break. Show you exactly where the most traders will get trapped and where most money is already positioning. Understand quickly what happened last week. Gold showed high volatility, strong move on both sides, but no clear direction. And we saw aggressive buying and support equal strong selling near resist. This tells us one thing: the market is not trending, it's preparing for a bigger move. The price is trading around $4814.385, and I have clearly mentioned you that after three green candle, the fourth candle mostly be green, and you see the price has going upside, making a high above that particular trend, a level of 4876, and this particular week is going on with a low of around $46. The price which is at important level, that is 4600, the price is trading above this level and in between two of these levels. And if it keep moving above the previous week's high, that is around 4855, we will see the price will go upside and chances of crossing 4876 will be there. And if the price rising above this level, a further upside can be seen. Okay, if you see this particular trend, you will understand more. See, these are the two levels from we have seen a big move because a buyer rejection has been happened at these two levels and the price is moving upside. If you see a week chart, you will understand more clearly how the price is moving. If you see for this particular week and the previous 3 weeks, there is a green candle forming, a swing has formed, there is a continuous upside. So if the price sustain above this level, chances are very high it will move towards $4860, which is an R1 and a previous week's high. From there it will touch a week this week high of around 4876, which is an R2. And once the price rising above this particular level, we will see the price will rise above that level and it will go directly towards $49.83, which is R3. And if the price rising above that particular level, we will see that the price will touch a level of $5090, which is R4. And once the price sustain above $5000 or above this level, we will see it will go directly toward a level of 5095, then to a level of 5127. And if that sustain, a further upside can be seen towards 51545. And if the price rising above this level, we will see. And once the price sustain of 4870, a further upside can be seen. So trail your SL by around $10 to $15, so at least you will capture upside movement. Okay, now coming on a lower time frame, but before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. And a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price breaks the previous day to previous low of around 4800, which is support 1, then we can see the price will move towards a level of 4685. From there, suppose if the price started falling below 4800, a probability of going towards 4685 can be seen. From there, a further fall can be seen towards a level of 4552. Understand, 46 level is important level, because once the price keep moving below this level, chances are very high that the price will go directly towards next level of 4552. From there, a level of 4510. And if the price moving below this level, chance of touching 4480 will be there, and then it will go directly towards 4377, which is support 4. And if the price fall below this level, a further fall can be seen. So trail your SL by around $10 to $15, so at least you will capture downside movement. But if the price started going below this level, what we can see? Suppose if the price started falling below this level, we can see the price will started going below a level of around 4806. Okay, and from there a bounce back can be seen. This is a day wise chart. Understand, two things are happening here. Opposite U pattern is forming. After that, there is an upside. So if the price started falling below a level of 4800, this particular trend will show downside, and chances are high it will move below a level of $4784, then to a level of 4730, and from there it will move below a level of 4700, and then a further fall can be seen towards 4682, and then a further fall can be seen. This trend will show downside, and chance of going towards 4600 also can be seen after crossing a level of 4640. Okay, and if the price moving below this level, a further fall can be seen. So trail your SL by around $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture downside movement. But if it started rising above this level, it can move towards 48.42, then to a level of 48.58, and then it will move above 48.85. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside can be seen towards 5,000. And if the price sustaining above this level, a further upside can be seen. Trail your SL by again $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture upside movement. Coming back on a 2-hour chart, you will understand more. Once the price started going above this level, there will be a zone breakout, so you have to understand this is the zone. Okay, so once the price keep moving above level of 48.44, chances are high it will cross 48.71. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see there will be a further rise movement, and chance of going towards for 5,000 can be seen. But if it keep moving below a level of 47.97, it can come down towards 47.50 to a level of 4700, and then it will move towards a level of 46.37, and then further fall towards 4600. Once the price fall below 4600, chances are high it will move further low. So trailing your SL is very important by $10 to $15. Okay, understand the real drivers. What we can see, the first is dollar index, and if the dollar index strengthens, we can see the gold will struggle. If it weakens, gold can explode higher. But second thing is, expect rate cut, gold became bullish. But if inflation stays high, we can say gold can face pressures. Okay, and the third is global uncertainty. Any geopolitical tension, any economic fear, gold became a safe haven. So right now we have a battle. Buyers are defending support, and sellers are protecting resistance. So both sides are waiting for the breakout. So understand, a breakout can be fame and things can be dangerous, so most traders will enter too early and get trapped. So here is the most probable scenario for next week. If gold breaks above resistance zone and sustain, we can see bullish rally. But if the gold gives false breakout, we can see it can come inside a range, and that could trigger a sharp sell-off. Okay, so what we can see looking at this particular chart, so understand the final thing what we can see. So next week is not about guessing, it's about waiting. So strike at a right movement. If you find the analysis helpful, make sure you subscribe and break down gold like every week. Comment below, do you think gold will break or crash? Because the next move could define the end.